Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious beer batter for your shrimp, for your fish, that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients for this delicious beer batter for your fish, for your shrimp, you name it. It comes out perfect every time. I have parsley, black pepper, garlic powder, salt, paprika, all-purpose flour, and of course, the beer that you have at home, the beer that you love and enjoy. This is everything we need to make this delicious beer batter. So let's get started. I want to share with you this delicious and amazing beer batter. It doesn't take too long to prepare it, about 10-15 minutes, and then this is done. I have the all-purpose flour. I'm adding some paprika. Smoked paprika really gives it an amazing flavor. Himalaya salt, or the salt you have at home. I'm going to add garlic powder, not garlic salt, garlic powder. Remember that the salt is to taste. I have black pepper. Look at this. And now I am ready to add the dry parsley. Look at all those beautiful and amazing colors. This batter really comes out delicious, amazing for the fish tacos, for the shrimp tacos. You know something, once you make it, you guys are going to love it. Look at all those delicious and amazing colors. Once they are nice and combined, then we are going to add our favorite beer. Make sure that you whisk it all the way to the bottom, so everything incorporates completely, making sure that you really incorporate all the way to the bottom. Everything needs to be completely incorporated. Once this is done, well then, let's add our favorite beer. I have one here, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I am going to use the whole bottle. Oh my gosh, look at this. You want your beer to be really nice and cold. It smells amazing. Now I am ready to start whisking it, incorporating the beer into the batter. The batter is gonna come out not too runny, just perfect. I'm going to show you when I'm completely done. But you know something? Making sure that you whisk it very good for a couple minutes so that there are no lumps of the all-purpose flour. This part is important. Making sure that you incorporate completely everything, and everything is really nice and incorporated, and there are no lumps of the all-purpose flour or the dry ingredients. Look at this. The mixture is going to be almost the same thickness as when you make those delicious pancakes. Let me show you. It's not too runny. It's nice and thick. And you could really see all those little specks of the parsley and the black pepper. Let me show you. Look at this. Nice and runny, but yet not too runny where it's not going to stick to the fish fillets or to the shrimp. Okay, this is done. And of course, I want to show you that I am going to cook some tacos with this. I want to show you how you put the fish inside and how thick it is and how it covers completely your pieces of fish or shrimp. Look at all those delicious flavors. I have some tilapia fish here and I'm just dipping it in. I want to show you how this looks. Look at this. This looks amazing. They cover completely. And now I am ready to take it to the stove and start making these delicious tacos. But let me show you, your oil needs to be nice and hot. You want to make sure that you add just a little piece of tortilla. And if the tortilla comes out all the way to the top, that means that the oil is nice and hot and you are ready to start dipping in your tilapia fish. You know something? If you add your tilapia fish and the oil is still not hot, what's going to happen? The batter is going to absorb all that oil, and that's exactly what you don't want. Instead of having a delicious crispy tilapia, you're going to have a soggy tilapia. So just make sure that your oil is really nice and hot so that the batter doesn't absorb all that extra oil that we really don't need. So here they're getting nice and brown, and it really doesn't take too long when you start seeing them get nice and golden brown. And now I'm just gonna leave them here on the side for just a couple minutes so that excessive oil falls into the dish I have on the bottom. Look at this. You could even help yourself with the plate and some napkins so that you remove the excessive oil. But remember, if your oil is hot, there's not going to be too much of oil in your batter. Well, I'm going to continue making the rest. My family, it's a family of 6, and we really love these tacos. And of course, I need to show you how we are going to enjoy them.
My friends, I can't take it anymore. I need to taste them. Amazing.
Ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
I am completely done with this beer batter. Look at this. Nice and creamy, nice and delicious. Perfect for your fish or shrimp. This is the part I really love and enjoy. Cooking and baking with lots of love. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.